I think you know the problem when you go to the Epic marketplace, that you want to search and filter for some assets and we don't have anything over here. What if I want to search for free assets that have lots of positive reviews that are for the 5.4? I want to search them by all time, most popular. I found this website. This is probably the most useful website ever. So it's called orbitalmarket.com. As far as I know, it's free. Just click search over here. You don't need to even search anything. Click search, click over here. You want price to be free, and we want to search for reviews like this. And we want for engine to be 5.4 released all time. And you have the most downloaded free assets that are high in reviews, and you have a bunch of them over here. You can do this also with a paid. You can go over here with popularity, and you will find that the settings menu is super popular. What's to say that this is I think the best and the most useful site for the Unreal Engine Marketplace. This should be Unreal Engine Marketplace. Let's test it out. For example, this Landscape Pro, click it. Auto-generated material, by the way, nice asset. We click over here, Unreal Engine Marketplace, and it will go to the Unreal Engine Marketplace. We can see that 381 reviews, everything is updated, everything works perfectly. So if you know assets and resources similar to this one, please share with me, because I need that just like anybody else. Thanks for watching. Drop some likes, comments, subscribes and so on, and be good. See you in some other video. Bye bye.